idea. Hi, we're back for episode 3. Yeah, the Amber and Megan. The sexy one, yes. I'm the retarded one, obviously. So, yeah.
I don't know if we're recording.
We're outside.
At my
Obviously.
house. Yeah. Yeah. It's all good. Yeah.
We don't really know what we're doing outside, but, like, we woke up and we were outside.
We're looking for homos.
Dude, there's one!
No. Seriously, Amber told me, like, the sewage thingy right there had a caveman in it, and I seriously thought she said there was a gay man in it. So that's our little inside joke now.
We have, like, a lot of inside jokes, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we're awesome like that, and I'm the retard, man. And, yeah. So anyway, as I said before, we're outside, and there's a dude in a truck. He was an old guy. I hope you didn't hear that, but yeah, he was old.
We don't like old people.
Old guys are old!
Except for our grandparents.
I have some frippin' watches. So anywho.
That's my mailbox with bird crap all over it. It's really nice. It's really pretty once it's all clean.
How can a mailbox be pretty?
We're cutting that part out.
Oh, look, twigs, man. Maybe we can throw them at our homeless.
Yeah, homos.
Or hobos.
Hobo.
Well, I have nothing else to say. Yeah.
I do, I'm the shiz, and
I'm
Amber's the knit.
And I know the knit.
Shiz, knit. Shiz, knit. Shiz, knit.
Woo! Woo! Yeah.
Peace. Peace, honk for peace!
Yeah, we're obsessed with peace here, so, I don't know. You wanna cut? Okay, well.
Okay, well, I'm Megan.
I'm Amber, the retarded one.
Thank you for turning into episode 3. We will be back for more
Real
awesome
soon.
video rama.
Because we're sexy like that.
Yes.